No leave out. Ciao. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me. I made this wig by myself. Yes, this is a full wig. No leave out crochet wig. Hello. And let me tell y'all real quick, if you don't like it, that's okay. I do. You can actually take what I did and, you know, make it your own, use a different texture. So if you want to see how I made this wig, make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so first up, let me get a little tea. Let's give some love to the natural hair. She out and about and she is flourishing. Y'all see my little peasies in there? I love it. But anyway, that's not why we're here. This wig was not planned. This process is not something that I made up for myself. YouTube University teaches me as well. I can't remember her name off top, but I will link her video down below to show you guys exactly how I learned this technique. I didn't do exactly what she did because, you know, her technique is a little bit more tedious than mine. So I did make a little bit of changes to mine, but I did try to find similar tools that she used in her video. So first up, the stocking cap. Y'all know me and Amazon go together real bad. Okay, so I got everything from there. This little net stocking cap right here, okay, it comes in a pack of 6, I believe. I also got these pack of crochet hooks. I wanted to get the different ones because I wanted to be able to do locks. In that pack came the 2 crochet hooks that I use for my unit. I used the regular one, and I have this one that I think is like a 1/3 inch. I can't remember what it was, but it's a really tiny one. And trust me, you need the really tiny one to get the edges the way that you want. I also use hair that I got from Amazon. I got the braiding hair or the Marley hair, and then I got the spring twist hair for the edges. The Marley hair is, you know, it's not the softest, okay? So when you break it apart, it will tangle, it will shed, pull, pull, keep pulling. It's a little tough, okay? And see how it knotted up like that? Work it out. If you have patience and you want to try to do something different, this is what that is for. You can make the crochet knots as small or as big as you want. I wanted to do a small size. In her video, she did do like a micro. It looked like a full lace wig because she went loop by loop to make that wig. I wasn't doing all that. So as you'll see in my wig, I have gaps and everything. But let's go ahead and bring Brenda over here. Hey girl. Hey, y'all, this looks pretty good. I could probably pull some more of this hair down right there, but I don't want to do too much because, again, how this is going to sit on my head, I don't want it to be too mushy around my face. Y'all see the gaps in there, okay? Don't worry, though. We're going to camouflage that. Trust the process. I don't need the head. I need the wig. For this crochet install, all you're doing is crocheting the hair onto the wig. Use as big a piece or a bigger section of hair as you want to. I used like a 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit smaller, and then I crochet that into the actual unit. When it comes to the frontal, you will want to use the small crochet hook because the front of the cap is a little bit thicker. You want to be able to feed the hair into the cap without ripping holes into the cap. I just use the spring twist hair. It unravels. It's a 2-strand. So now you got one long piece, and then I just cut it on the end, about 1 inch for the front, and then I separated it, pulled a little bit off, use a little bit or a lot of it, whatever you want, twist it around my finger, and then crochet that as normal to the front. So I use about 1 inch here in the front. As I start getting closer to the sides, I start using about 2 to 3 inches of hair to crochet into the sides. I don't want my edges to be the same length all the way around. I want to be able to give some sideburn action. Now I could add more hair over here, but because my natural hair will be out under this cap, I don't need to. And plus this is going to be down in the back, so I'm not really worried about it. Again, I'm taking some hair. This is a little bit longer than 1 inch. I got that hair, wrap it around my finger, take my crochet hook, make sure I open that up. I'm starting on the edge here, okay? So I loop it, I bring it in, I loop the hair on just like any other crochet, close it up, bring it back through. Now when it comes through the through, see how I still have it in 2? I'm only going to pull one of them through. Only hook one and bring that one through. Sorry. Bring that one through and then knot it. So when you do that, you get this. The band won't be showing under here, okay? Because you have that hair under and on top. For the actual crochet of the whole wig, I brought both legs through. For the front, you only bring one leg through. Okay, so for my natural hair, let me put on some pearl mousse just to make sure she a little moisturized. It's so much easier to wash my hair now, child. Ooh, I love it here. Now, before I put this wig on, I don't need no judging. I know somebody already gonna be like, oh, that's too much hair. It's too hot for that. That looks a mess. Listen, I wanna rock this wig, okay? Don't look for no parting space because it ain't any. Okay, if you wanna add parting space, you definitely can. This cap does stretch. Make sure I have it how I want it to sit. Because my hair is thin at the top, it gives me a natural look up there. I use that joint to my advantage. Hello. I'm getting my sides down the way that I want. Some of my little curly cues in the front are already pulled back into the twist. Listen, y'all, I got a lot of new growth. Now, you can wear this behind your hairline. Let me show you. Pull it back like this. This is my hair right here. And I can add a little part right here in the middle. That's still the wig right here. My hair is still tucked on this side. None of my hair is out on this side. So if I want to twist this back into the wig, I can definitely do that if I wanted to. But I want to show you guys how to rock this with no leave out, no edges showing. And I want it to look a certain way. I could use bobby pins, but I want to spray it down so I can make sure that the hairs that I want down are down and the hairs that I want back are back. Stay with me, okay? We're gonna make this wig work because I wanted some chunky twists, but I didn't want to braid my hair. Let me bring all my hair back. I'm gonna get my melt spray. Girl, you cannot see. I'm gonna spray that, spray it right in the front of my hairline. And I'm gonna bring some of these hairs down. Not all of them, just a little bit. Get my edge comb here. Hold it. Same thing on my side here. And make your hairline as thin or as full as you want. I wanted to make sure mine was thick enough to cover, but not too thick that it's gonna look ridiculous. Doing it like that. Let me just bring some of this. All right, that's how we're looking. Let's do the front. And I don't want too many hairs on the front, so I'm just gonna bring down a little. That's how that side is looking. No edges are out. This is all the wig. Bring some of this hair back. Keep messing with it to get the hairline that you want. Wrap this down so it doesn't move. Now for the rest of the hair, it's just fixing the twists to make sure they are as natural as I want them to be. Like I said, this is Marley hair, so it does mat and tangle very quickly. This hair is good for locks or twists that you don't plan on taking out. Twist this one back up. See some of the curly hairs in there? I did crochet some of the curly hair back into the wig, not just on the hairline, just to give it that natural appearance. So if you want to add that, you can, but that is optional. Just touching up some of the ones in the front. Again, these do not have designated parts because I did not crochet it that way. I think in total mine took about 5 hours to make. Mine are a bit loose in the back, so I'm just freshening those up. Okay, okay. I think my wig shifted when I was twisting it. Peel this down from the top. Stretch this out. Still giving scalp up there. And if I want to put some powder in the parting space to give the look or the illusion of a part, let's see if it'll work. I don't really like how that looks though. Still the wig right here. Spray this little section right here. Push that back, that's me. This is the wig. So my hair kind of goes along with that. Just spray this down right here. Just to make sure I get the hairline that I want, I'm just separating the hairs like this. Pulling a little bit of hair down, pulling the rest back. And I'm using my actual forehead to create that scalp effect. I just gotta make sure it's giving scalp, you know, and not too much peasy look. Just put a little mousse on my ends to finish it up. And we will be done with this look. Hey y'all, so here is the final look. I'm not gonna lie and say that, you know, it's the greatest, but I think for my first time doing this, I think it came out really nice. I have tried putting natural edges on like a half wig, full wig cap, but this is better, okay? Because I was able to put actual edges on my wig, which makes me think that I probably could do this with a full cap wig. I think I could do that. If you got some time, this is a very affordable way to get twists in your hair. If you don't have edges or long enough hair, all the products that I use will be listed in my description box, so you can check that out. I hope that what I explained in this video and what I showed in this video actually helps you make your own wig. Again, I will link the reference that I used down below for this video. I changed up some things for mine just so I didn't have to do this all day, but it does take some time, okay, crocheting all that hair into the cap. I did mention it already, but I also went in and used some of the curly hair. I used a longer spring twist, so I used all of this, and I did put that behind the hairline, so onto the regular netted portion of the cap to give that more natural look, because you don't want too long of an edge around your actual hairline. So use the spring twist right behind the hairline on that row to give this look. No leave out. Ciao. That's pretty much it for the look, y'all. I think she came out pretty cute. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know, because I really enjoyed this. I'm about to head outside. That's all I got for you guys today. I will put all the products that I use down below, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.